Today on Law Weekly, some senior lawyers share their opinions on the funding of the judiciary, especially against the background of the declining budget of the third arm of government. We also have a recap of the top legal stories. On our interview segment is a discussion with the chairman of the Nigerian Bar Association's section on business law, Mr. Aswe Igodalu. All that and more on this episode of Law Weekly. Hello and welcome to the program. I'm Shola Shieli. At the 2015 All Nigeria Judges Conference, the Chief Justice of Nigeria, Honorable Justice Mahmood Mohammed, had raised an alarm that the poor budgetary funding of the judiciary is robbing the organ of government of its independence. Indeed, in the recently passed 2016 budget, the figure of 70 billion naira allocated to the judiciary is 3 billion naira lower than the 73 billion naira appropriated for the judiciary in 2015. Many stakeholders in the judiciary are worried about the steady decline in the funds of the third arm of government since 2010, from 95 billion naira in that year to 85 billion naira in 2011, then 75 billion naira in 2012, and again in the 2013 budget to 67 billion naira. In 2014, the judiciary got 68 billion naira. Some senior legal practitioners who spoke to Law Weekly gave their opinion on the issue.
More cases ever than before are being brought to court on daily basis for judiciary to adjudicate. And that was the case docket of the judiciary has increased tremendously. That will mean that they will require to have more judges, more registrars, more clerks, more buildings, more cars, more furnitures, and so on and so forth. And the prices of these things are not stagnant. They are going up. So my plea to the government is that there's need to handle judiciary's funding with care.
I don't think that the problem so far in Nigeria is better funding for any institution. I think it is proper and judicious use of whatever funds are made available. The truth is that we just wallow in corruption, and whatever you throw into any institution goes down the cesspit of corruption.
Look at the case of Mr. Justice Adeleke when she retired from the Supreme Court and had no house. So that's the challenge that we are faced with, the fact that judiciary is so badly funded. I'm not by any means, supporting corruption in the judiciary, but these judges live in despicable conditions. So we've got to address that first before anything else. If you address the issue of unpaid judges, you will solve the problem of corruption in the judiciary.
I think that the best way to attract funding is for the Nigerian state to appreciate the pivotal role that the judiciary plays, because without the judiciary, we'll spend a lot more money grappling with the challenges of jungle justice. And I think that appreciation, with a resolve also by the judges to inspire confidence in the administration of justice, will, in my respectful view, attract the desired funding for the judiciary.